Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand wait die and wound wait protocols which are very important deadlock prevention techniques in DBMS. So let's start with the basic idea. Both wait die and wound wait are the timestamp based protocol. Each transaction assigns a when it starts. So now let us understand the wait die protocol. So wait die is a non-preemptive strategy. Here the rule is simple. Older transactions are allowed to wait while younger transactions are aborted. Now let's see how it works. So if an older transaction requests a resource held by a younger transaction, it will wait. But if a younger transaction requests a resource held by an older transaction, it will be aborted. For example, here, if T1 is older and T2 is younger, then T1 requests a lock held by the T2, then T1 waits. But if T2 requests a lock held by the T1, then T2 is aborted. Now let's move to the wound wait protocol. So this is the diagram which is given here. You should write like this in the examination along with the proper explanation. So I'm explaining this diagram here. So wound wait is a preemptive strategy. Here the rule is opposite. Older transaction can force younger transaction to abort. If an older transaction requests a source held by a younger transaction, it abort the younger transaction. But if a younger transaction requests a resource held by an older transaction, it must wait. Now let us understand the key difference between the wait wound and the wait die. In wait die, younger transactions are aborted when they request resources. In wound wait, younger transactions are aborted when old transactions request their resources. So both protocols prevent deadlock by ensuring no circular waiting occurs. And also aborted transactions are restarted with the same timestamp to avoid the starvation. So in the final, we can say that wait die and the wound wait are the effective techniques to prevent deadlock using the timestamp. So this is the quick comparison you can see here, and write like this in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.